Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we'll see some of the common problems with WhatsApp web and how to fix those problems. Before moving further, you need to check that you have a good network connection on your PC and on your phone as well. And this was the first thing. The second thing is if after signing up on WhatsApp web, you uninstall the WhatsApp on your phone, then you must not do this because you'll logged out of WhatsApp web. The third thing that you must take care of is that your phone's date and time and the date and time on your PC should be same. So these are the three things that you should take care before moving further. So let us head to our main solution, which is logging out of WhatsApp web. And if you do not know, then allow me to tell you how you can do this. Head to WhatsApp. Click on the three dot option at the top, link devices, and now click on Google Chrome. Click on logout option. Now you are logged out of WhatsApp web. Now you have to visit the WhatsApp web website through your PC's browser and try to log in. You can also try clearing caches on your browser, and for that, click on the three dot option present at the top. You will see a setting option. Click on it. Now go to privacy and security. Click on clear browsing data at the top. After clearing data, try to log into WhatsApp web once again and your problem will be resolved. So this is how you can fix the issue. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.